So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, we have with us lots of leaks regarding the OnePlus 7T and just basically everything just depicting that OnePlus is opting for a much cheaper model and which compromises they're going to be taking and how it's going to be the phone looking by its overall form factor. So without any further ado, let's get started. What else is actually changing? Well, the main prime focus for anybody who loves OnePlus and knows about OnePlus is only the factor that OnePlus is famous for making their smartphones with a nice vertical camera layout in the middle of the smartphone. Like that's their strategy, from OnePlus 1 until the current, OnePlus 6T. They are following the same legacy as to implement a vertical camera array. But this leak, actually, as you can see this picture, and also you have seen the thumbnail of today's video, that shows about the OnePlus 7T is going to be having a circular camera, circular rear camera layout, and that is just similar to how Motorola does with their Moto smartphones. Well, they are always, they are differentiated by any smartphone just because they are having a circular rear camera array. But just if OnePlus is opting for that, they definitely know a lot of things about it. Again, in that image, if you focus really well, you see that there are three cameras, and that also in the straight middle line. So what is the need for the upper semicircle and the below semicircle? There must be a need that they have implemented that, and that makes us come to the next point, and that is they can go for a depth sensor. Well, like how Samsung does, heart monitor, depth sensing, and just there are lots of other variants of sensors other than cameras. So if they are planning to go for this kind of array, they are definitely going to be adding lots of new features in the new OnePlus 7T. And believe me or not, but OnePlus 7T is always, all the T variants of OnePlus are well known to everybody just because the only purpose for them to be in existence is to make available it for cheap. Okay, all the T versions, like it be OnePlus 3T and like 5T or any other like latest 6T, they are well known for making it budget friendly. And if they are going for such a big mechanism, it definitely is not at all a budget friendly device. So I would suggest more likely that this is going to be happening, but we might just see, end up seeing only triple camera array and nothing different. But it's always, different. Like take example of, like now we are having leaks that Apple logo is going to be shifting in the middle of the iPhone. Well, we never knew, because from the first original iPhone till the latest iPhone XS Max, all iPhones have Apple logo slightly above the center of this iPhone, and just getting these leaks that Apple logo is coming in the middle of the iPhone is actually not at all appreciated. Okay, just that's a that we are familiar with Apple logo being a little bit upper side, but if it will be below, we will be adjustable to it. But it takes a lot of time for any consumer to adjust according to the company. So if OnePlus is going to be taking this step, again, if it takes, it's well and good, but if not, that it's going to be an ugly device. Again, if OnePlus is going to be opting for this technology, it is well and good, it's going to be appreciated by everybody, but just it should offer a little more than what we are used to. Again, like the purpose of the budget friendly device is not to provide the best technology or like even more technology than the standard variant, but again, just taking into consideration if whatever OnePlus is opting for, if they're going to go for this circular cutout or the layout, it definitely will be appreciated by the community. It might be looking a little ugly for many people, or till people start using that. After that, they will get used to that, and just generations after generations might even pass of a circular camera array. So guys, in today's video, I just discussed the leaks which we have regarding with us regarding the OnePlus 7T, and just if there's going to be any other leak or any other news regarding that, I'm going to be definitely covering that in my upcoming video. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like to this video, and also leave a comment that how was this video and which video you want to see next. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.